Hello, Browni Bunch. This is Monica, and guess what I have? My notebooks came in the mail today, so I will unbox them. So let's see. And these notebooks have custom artwork that was designed by me. And this is my first time seeing them in person, so this is a real reaction here. Oh my goodness! So the first one, this is one of my notebooks. It's just a plain composition notebook. There aren't any prompts in this one, but it is absolutely beautiful. This is some artwork that I did when I was in high school. And there's a girl with braids, and you can see her cheekbones and her nose, and this was done by me in pencil and charcoal, I believe. But look at it, it's absolutely beautiful. This is the first one, so there are 4 in all, so you're getting the first look here. This is stunning. The quality of it feels really good. I chose to go with the matte finish. And then with the description, I did note with the red dot, then book, just to make it have that classic look. Okay, number 2. My second one, this is more artwork. This one is actually more art from high school. So this is actually based on a charcoal I did of my great grandmother. And her face just had so much personality, so I really like this one. She used to wear like a red hat, and she had like the big thick glasses, and so this is really nice. So this is also, and I chose to crop it where you could get half of the art on one side and the other half on the other side. So this is it. This one also is just a composition. It does not have any prompts, but it's a great notebook for just taking notes, making your to-do list. So it's beautiful. And then I also put notebook here with a red dot just to help it have that classic look. And then if you see on the back, that's from my old art collection. So it looks really good. I also went with a matte finish on this one as well. And the texture of it is really soft. It's nice to the touch. And you can even see some of my charcoal smudges from when I did it originally. So awesome. So that's 2. So we have 1, 2. So the next 2 are really close to my heart. They are Loc Journey journals. So these are really a nice size, perfect for throwing in your bag and taking them to your retightening appointments where you can take down notes from your loctician. But if you notice, these journals also include custom writing prompts and hair affirmations. You can put your establishment date here, as well as your name this journal belongs to. It also has custom lock art that was drawn by me. So if you look at the cover, you can see some of the artwork there of a lovely lady with locks, and the locks go all over the page. So I did the same thing. I split it. So you can see with the lock journey, your hair will grow long and healthy. And this one has a color inside. As I mentioned, it has custom writing prompts here. Welcome monthly lock growth and reflection journal. Your journey is just beginning. And so for each month, there are custom quotes, writing prompts so that you can reflect about your journey as your hair is changing, as you're changing, and how you view your hair. And so there are a lot of prompts. You get to reflect over your appointments, the changes you see, but there are also tasks that you can complete to help you and keep your journey interesting. So with the Loc Journey journal, there's a section for each month, starting with the establishment all the way up to month 12. So, and there are also prompts for your lock-iversary every few months. So this is really exciting. As you notice, the inside is very beautiful. There's lots of space and room to write and lots of tasks, different things that you can do to connect with your loctician, places for notes. It's an awesome journal. So this is available in 3 different colors. I have 2 here. And here is the first one in this beautiful orange sunset color. And then this is the second one in this texture yellow and green color here. And it also has the lock hair art. And an interesting thing about this art, I actually recorded myself drawing the hair for this one. So you can actually take a look at that on my Instagram profile, and I'll upload some of the video of that to my YouTube as well. But I wanted to share this with you. So these are my journals, and I will be actually, since this is the first order of these, I will be doing a giveaway. So look forward to getting details about the giveaway soon. Thank you. Thanks for sharing and watching. Bye.